All right, a quick status report, update on the 441 Victor. The client has agreed that we're going to put a new AMO Premier on it. I applaud the decision. So I've ordered it. It should be here probably mid next week, and we'll put it on and try it again. There's no guarantee it's going to turn it into a magic easy starting bike, but it will eliminate 50% of the possibilities. Along with an old saying that I made up. The old saying that I made up is 90% of all ignition problems are actually carburation. And 90% of all carburation problems are actually ignition. Think about it. The symptoms are almost identical in both cases. So if we put a brand new carburetor on this bike and it still turns out to be its normal hard starting self, it's probably not the carburetor. So that's what we're doing, and I applaud the client's decision. So this one's going to go aside now while we wait on that. And I've got, this bike is being picked up tomorrow morning by the owner, and then he's going to the Old Farts, P-H-A-R-T-Z, the Old Farts lunch with us, which is kind of cool. He'll enjoy that. This bike came in this week and has minor things, a lot of minor things, including it's got a leak. So we'll look into locating that. I'm going to put it up on the lift, and that'll be what I work on today. The yellow bike, the speedometer has shipped. It is on its way from England. So we should have a speedometer pretty soon on the yellow bike. And the green bike is sitting here. Kevin has returned to Phoenix. He will be with me on Friday probably. And we may spend a day or two kicking on this bike to see if we can figure it out. First thing we're going to do is I have a complete electronic ignition system that I use as a test system. I just strap it onto the bike with nylon tie straps, and we will hang that test system on the bike and see if we get any better results. So we're going to go through ignition first on this bike to see if we can't get it started. So that's the status report for today, and I'm going to take this bike down and put it way down here. Then I'm going to take this little green 500 and put it up on the lift and do some work on that today. It's 10:15 in the morning. Maybe I'll put in a few hours before it gets too hot. By the way, I just rode my little 500 up to Kevin's house to help him do some stuff in his yard, and then we went to coffee with he and Steve and I rode this guy up, and it ran like a top. And so I'm going to ride it to lunch tomorrow. So it's back on the road. Norton's next. Actually, the Nort's running. I just haven't taken it anywhere. Maybe I'll do a lunch run on the Norton also soon. Bye.